Imagine walking through the Amazon surrounded by nothing but nature's whispers. Then, from the depths, a metallic clang echoes through the trees. What could create such a sound in the world's most remote forest? Some say it's the ancient spirits of the jungle. Others believe it might be remnants of a lost civilization. But researchers have a different theory, a natural anomaly. Is it simply the wind, or is the jungle hiding something more? Next time you venture into the unknown, remember, nature has its secrets. What do you think it is? Comment below.